My name's John R. Mendy Jr. I am a senior chief engineman. It came out of the Straits of Bremerton into the Pacific Ocean. We come out, the first long trip was to Hawaii because we went there for a shakedown cruise. Came back to Bremerton, had some work done there. Once it was completed, back out in the Pacific, down, went through the Panama Canal and come around and went up to Charleston. Well, we stayed there for a while and tendered submarines alongside, coming in, and then they got orders to go to Holy Loch, relieve the Hunley over in Holy Loch. So we took a cruise over there. I think we were there 2 months during the turnover, and then they did what they call a transition. People that wanted to come back to the States then, they would transfer over to the Hunley, and the people that wanted to stay in Scotland on the Hunley went to Simon Lake.